Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Falmouth in the parish of Trelawney, Jamaica. Now Falmouth is one of the towns that is being developed. Yeah, it's becoming a major player in the tourism industry. Now Falmouth has the Falmouth cruise ship here, and a lot of hotels are being built in other sections of Trelawney. On the left is the new fire station that was built for Falmouth. Very nicely done. Now, the fastest growing tourism area in Jamaica is Cooper's Pen in Trelawney. Falmouth is the capital of Trelawney. So, another major project that the government is doing is to improve the Falmouth Transport Center, because Trelawney basically, Falmouth is the capital, so everything is going to go through Falmouth. So you need a good transportation system in Falmouth to facilitate the town. Now, when it comes down to tourism, you're going to have people coming from the entire North Coast to come to these areas. So you need a good transportation system. So today we're going to talk about the Falmouth Transport Center, which is being upgraded by the government because there is so much development and growth going on the North Coast that it has to be expanded and rehabilitated, basically. So we're going to go through an article that gives an update as to what the plans are. Minister says Falmouth Transport Center could serve as a template for other towns. Minister of Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport, Honorable Darrell Vaz, says the Falmouth Transportation Center in Trelawney is an example of an organized facility that could serve as a template for other towns across Jamaica. Speaking to reporters, local officials, and other stakeholders following the tour of the center, Minister Vaz said that the people of Jamaica deserve transport facilities that provide essential amenities such as shelter from inclement weather, clean and well-maintained bathrooms, and access to other basic facilities, including food outlets. Mr. Vaz said the goal is to see improvement works being done as quickly as possible, noting that the public deserves better conditions while waiting for vehicles. He expressed his commitment to enhancing the overall experience at the transportation centers. Furthermore, the minister revealed his intention to consult with his colleague, Minister of Local Government and Community Development, Honorable Desmond Mackenzie, to explore strategies for upgrading the transport centers and ensuring that they better serve the needs of the public. I was invited here today by the mayor to see how operations at the Falmouth Transport Center. Based on what I am seeing, I would say that this is one of the better organized and functional transportation centers that I have seen, the minister said. Minister Vaz added that there is a clear need for the local authorities to explore private partnerships to generate funding for the proper maintenance and improvement of transport facilities. The government is fully dedicated in advancing the quality and accessibility of transportation services across the nation. By adopting the Falmouth Transportation Center's model as a potential blueprint, our aim is to create a standard of excellence for transport infrastructure that prioritizes the convenience and well-being of all Jamaican citizens, the minister said. For his part, the mayor said that the minister's call for public-private partnerships in the realm of transport center development signals a proactive approach to addressing the challenges of infrastructure maintenance and upgrades. He added that it reflects a collective commitment to realizing a modern and efficient transport network that evaluates the overall quality of life for residents and visitors alike. Alright, so that's the end of the update article. So it's good that they're upgrading this transportation center, and as they said, it should be a model for others. So the entire North Coast needs a proper transportation system from Montego Bay right back to Ocho Rios. You need a system that connects all the major towns and all the major areas that you have tourism assets. So this is definitely a start, and as I said, this one is a model for the others. So guys, let us know what you think. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And when I said they should have transport centers in all the major tourist areas, I should have said in all the major towns and areas that have tourism assets, because it's not just people don't move around just for tourism, but because tourism is the major industry in this area on the North Coast, it is good to have it as a part of the network. So basically, you should be able to move from Montego Bay all the way to Ocho Rios with the ability to stop in each town along the way if you want via a good transportation system. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.